Today is September 7th, 2025. This is the day of the Bahia Marina Flounder tournament. So the tournament is at Fishtails, Bahia Marina. On the way to the dock now to meet with Frankie, Tom, and Lance on the line dancer tournament team. Registration is from 8 to 9:30. Captain's meeting is at 9:30 a.m. and the horn blows. It's a shotgun start, so the horn blows at 10 o'clock and everybody can get to their spots. Wind is going to be an issue. Rain is going to be an issue. With the wind, it's going to be pretty choppy.
These guys are
off the boat. Got one.
Oh, nice.
I will take that back. Skunk's off the boat. Oh yeah, huge. I didn't measure that thing. What do you think that was? 15 inches?
Yeah, I'm on. Alright, I got the ball. I think it's going to be a striper.
Yep.
This goes into what we were just talking about. You're going to have to come down here, Frank. Somebody can hit it. I'll get around the other side.
Yeah.
Awesome. Come on, buddy. Come on. I need to put a power handle on this reel. Seagull's gonna eat it. What is that? It's a striper. Hold on.
Go from the back. Yep. Good job.
That's gonna be close. Yep. Yeah, man. Good job. Dude, that's That's really close.
Tournament.
Oh man. Hold on. Ooh, Mike, pinch tail. If you pinch the tail,
You can pinch it.
they tell you that's how you have to. I even asked John that. He goes, no, it's lips, you pinch tail. Mike, maybe the termination lips. You got it? Yep.
Yeah.
28 1/4. Okay, get another one.
I got the side button that I can flip.
Yeah. It's too wet.
Get up there, idiot.
Oh, that's annoying.
1, 2, 3.
Hold it out, Frankie. Hold it out.
All right.
That's another one.
No, don't catch another one. We need flounder.
28, right? 28.5.
28 to 31. Where you at, Frankie?
The big one out of the pot.
I don't think this thing's getting deep enough.
That would have been a flounder. Probably back to camp right now. Oh yeah, net.
Net.
That's a good flounder.
Here.
This is a serious fish. Oh yeah, oh my god, Not as big as I thought, but keeper.
I don't know why you wanted to move it here.
It's fat.
It is fat. It's gonna be a keeper.
Oh, I gotta go to the fucking strips. I mean, that was immediate. Super wide, dude.
19, just under 19.
19, but super fat.
All right, cool. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, I thought it was more than that. Snapped off the contact about dick. Told you my luck was out.
So did you feel it? What'd you feel?
Right away. As soon as I chipped in there. I think that's a 3-pound fish. Oh.
Nope. Goodbye.
Ripped off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have
Where are you at, Frankie?
Right here, the possible fish one. Fish. Nope, don't worry. Set that quicker. That was a smaller bunker. No. But yes, I did set it quicker, but it was a smaller bunker.
Well, at least show the camera.
Folks, this is not what we're looking for.
I'll see if that reaches that one to tie off so it doesn't go forward. And pretty much where we're at, you can just tie it tight.
You good with that?
Good. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going any forward. How'd you guys make out?
Couple.
Yeah.
It's not a winner.
Oh, you never know. You never know.
It was a hard day, so it might.
You know, we know. Get the back line off.
Tie that one off on that.
Good.
Well, excited? Nervous?
I don't know.
Not getting my hopes up.
No. If it was 3.5, I'd be a little bit more confident.
Yeah.
Way in over here. Hurry up, the clock's ticking.
They're going to pressure from the left side.
What are we 15?
That opens up a huge window.
Oops, sorry.
3/8
Leader?
3/8 leadership.
Who's third place? That's
There was I think the second place right now is 2 pounds 15 ounces.
Oh, we should be above that. It was a tough day.
Oh,
3 pounds 1 ounce.
3-1. Yeah.
All right. Did you get your boat name whenever you weighed in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't. I don't think we're.
3.
This thing?
Yeah.
A flounder.
It's just a weigh-in bag.
Oh, is that what it's called, a flounder?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
the
yeah, the
fish?
boat? Yeah, show her.
Oh, the fish is just a flounder. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Come on.
No, I don't want to touch it. I just want to look at it.
And their mouths are really toothy,
Yeah. Oh my God.
and they open up really wide. And they
I've
have,
never seen.
well, this one doesn't have its. Usually its eyes right here, but he lost an eye.
Yeah, yeah. They have eyes on two sides. One side.
Yeah, yeah, they're like mutants. The one guy standing next to me said 3-1 takes us to second place.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. It's
Somebody
like,
gave us 3-1.
yeah, I heard him say 3-1.
It took us a second.
So that's the day. That's the end of the tournament. We all caught throwbacks. We fished West Channel, East Channel, Route 50 Bridge, fished in the inlet. Really was a grind with that weather. It rained pretty much all day. There was maybe a half hour, 45 minutes where it lightened up, but definitely was the grind. So Frankie caught that keeper striper. It was 28 inches and maybe 1/8. It was just over 28 inches. In Maryland, it is a slot from 28 inches to 31 inches. So it met just that slot, so kept that striper. They're gonna cook it up for dinner. Frankie also caught a fat 19 inch, but it was thick. And we took it to the scales and it came in at 3 pounds, 1 ounce. We were in second place for about 3 minutes. And then Rich Diker weighed in a 5-pound fish. On the run, weighed in a 5-pound fish. And another group weighed in a 4-pound fish. So quickly we're knocked off, but with the weather conditions today, we were just happy to be at the scales and show off our catch a little bit. And as always, if you like this type of content, follow me on Instagram at I.B.Fishing and YouTube at I.B.Fishing MD. So tight lines, and I'll see you next time.